Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company Rise, and they're looking for a content marketing manager. He pays $70,000 to $90,000 a year. Rise is a next-gen technology company building the future of work. We're in the early stage company backed by leading VCs, angels, and operators. In just a few months, we work with hundreds of leading companies and thousands of professionals to help people find jobs they love. If you have been to the job search process for a while, you know the pain point we're trying to solve. Our platform and early engagement philosophy enable professionals to build careers on their own terms. Our content marketing manager will pave the path for building Rise content strategy and will develop new systems to achieve strategic goals, driving customer discovery to Rise. You'll be joining a small, fast-growing startup where you can focus on your personal and professional development as we expand on how people think about the future of work. We can't wait to work with someone who is ambitious and ready to make a difference on day one, excited about developing and executing content strategy, creative in the ways they drive SEO strategy and produce search content that gets indexed, ranks high, and drives traffic, able to refine the style, voice, and tone to keep Rise content on brand, eager to learn. Building a community takes work. You should be excited for the challenge and don't mind rolling up your sleeves to help users and create tools to improve the Rise experience. As a self-starter, our team is right here to work alongside you, and we want to see you take on initiatives proactively, comfortable with ambiguity. Our goals are endless, and we need someone who is excited to be along for the ride, committed to work with a dedicated team full of dreamers who sometimes like to be goofy together. Expectations and deliverables. Be Rise Stand Attractor. Evaluate and determine the best channels to engage target audiences. Drive SEO strategy and produce deliverable search content. Track metrics to ensure we maintain flow of traffic. Report findings and present opportunities for product enhancements. Work cross-functionality with other members of our product and marketing teams. Why work at Rise? We're an entirely remote and distributed team, big believers in workplace flexibility. If you need to duck out to run an errand, of course, we know that life is more important. Although we're still quite small, we're committed to building a strong culture from day one. We succeed when you succeed. Tell us what you want to do next, and we'll do our dang best to get you there. As a team, we're dreamers who know how to get down to business. We do Thankful Thursdays every week, virtual teams events every month, and as avid travelers, we try to do an offsite quarterly. Last one was in Playa del Carmen, Mexico, to collaborate in person. We think work should be fun, engaging, and fulfilling. If this sounds like you, we welcome you to join our journey. To be considered, please apply through a link. The job is full-time, pays $70,000 to $90,000 per year. It offers flexible schedule, health insurance, paid time off, and it's Monday through Friday. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this particular position, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if this is not for you, it's okay. We're going to have job leads every 5 to 7 times per day. The only way that you can keep up is by subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you will get notified every time we have the best remote work from home job that's available right now for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.